Hi guys! So today we're going to talk about, by the way, this is Minimalist Mommy, once again. Of course, saying hello at malapit ng mag-Hearts Day. Ayan, so yung mga may mga kadate dyan, ready na. Anyway, so today as I was talking about, pag-usapan po natin ang isang part ng kwarto namin. Actually, ito yung part ng kwarto ng anak ko na hindi gaanong nagagamit. So, dito niya nilalagay yung mga things niya. Sabi, ang hirap nga ano kasi sabi niya, baka makita yung things ko, mabully ako. But no, my son. Don't you worry. Ayan. Alam mo naman ang mga children natin. Di ba? But anyway, ganito na nangyayari sa kanyang corner. Especially that he's really busy from his studies. Maasahan mo yan pag sa studies talaga. So, you really need to support him and assist him when it comes to cleaning and organizing his room. So, this is one of the parts of his room na medyo naiisnab. Ayan, natatambakan na ng mga gamit niya. So, pag pagod siya, ganyan, dito lang niya tinatambak ang mga gamit niyang minsan, hindi na niya maitabi or what, kasi nagiging busy nga sa studies. So, as a mom, we really need to be supportive sa ating mga studying children para naman makakonsentrate sila sa kanilang studies, di ba? So, that's being hindi lang minimalist mom, but a super mom. So, how are we going to create this as, hindi masakit sa mga mata ng mommies at saka sa mata na rin ng ating child? Yeah, let's do a magic. Actually, hindi talaga magic. Pero, we will turn this area into, not really a learning nook, but learning niche. Pero yung, alam mo yung, luxury ba? Yung parang makakapag-relax siya after ng studies niya, after coming home from school. Ayan, so hindi lang panay study naman, di ba? Kasi meron siyang maliit na study table sa tabi ng kama niya. So, eto, walang gamit. Ayan, natatambakan ng kung ano-ano. So, let's make, this part of my son's room. Ayan, para maganda naman. Pag siya'y umuuwi, he could sit down here and relax a little before, of course, doing his homework, eating dinner, ganyan. So, alam mo, pag mas relax ang estudyante, mas nag-aaral yan, di ba? Ayan, kaya matataas ang grades. Proud na proud ako sa anak kong yan, di ba? Sa mga anak kong nag-aaral. They're really, having a good time when it comes to studying. But anyway, after 3 years and a half, babalik po ako. No, I'm just kidding. But let's vacate this, okay? Give me time to vacate, clear this area, and let's turn it into a very nice relaxation niche for our children. I'll see you later, guys! There you have it, guys! After 300 years. In the making po tayo. So, there you go. What I did, I removed everything na nakatambak sa kanyang room. Ayan. So, yung mga things niya, nilagay ko siya dun sa spare room namin. Ayan. So, hindi naman na niya kailangan yung mga iba dun. So, I really need to bring it out. So, just tandaan lang. Alright? Pag hindi kailangan, wag nang itago. Pag hindi ginagamit, better give it away or throw it away. Pero sana wag i-throw it away. Mas better to give it away, di ba? Okay, so here you have it. What I did, alright, I placed a functional table. So yung mga gamit niya na andito, mga ibang gamit niya na kailangan niya, ganyan, for mga ibang laruan niya. May mga laruan din siya, gaya niyan, yung mga maliliit na laruan. Mga collection na niya, ganyan. So, hindi na niya nilalaro. Alam niyo, paglaki ng mga anak niyo, yan. So, yung mga laruan na medyo pricey, itago niyo. Kasi collection din yan, paglaki-laki nila. And, he's also fond of, si Pikachu. Ayan. So, of course, kailangan ko ilagay si Pikachu dyan para naman pag nakikita niya, it would brighten his day. It would brighten, ano ba yan? Brighten his day. Ayan. Wrong gramming na ako, pati pronunciation. So, luxury niche. Hindi raw niche. Na-corrected ako. Earlier, hindi raw niche. Buti na lang may mga pronunciation ano tayo, no? Mga guider. Ay, ayan. Mali na naman. Anyway, gusto rin niyang naglalaro ng mga, what do you call that? Video games? Etong mga ganyan. So, nung unang panahon, ano tayo ano yung tawag natin dyan sa mga ganyan? I forget already, pero pwede natin lagyan ang luxury niche ng ating anak. Yung gusto nilang laruin. Ayan. Kung meron naman kayong, meron naman kayong, what do you call this? Meron kayong budget, pwede kayo maglagay ng small TV dito, tapos lagyan ninyo ng yung mga Nintendo, di ba? Benga. Maski dito siya maghapon. So, I also put a lamp, especially when it's nighttime like this, ganon. Pwede siyang mag-lamp dyan kung gusto niyang magbasa, kasi gusto rin niya magbasa. So, you could put, how do you call this? Minsan, ebook yung binabasa niya or he also tries to look for books sa dun sa mga bookstore, and you could put one so that kung meron siyang relaxation time, pwede yan. So, I also put a guitar as a part of his relaxation. Yan. So, minsan, inaano niya yan. Tinutugtog-tugtog niya. Sabi nga niya drums daw, pero malaki-laki yung drums di ba? So, it would occupy the whole area already. Ayan. Tsaka medyo maingay pag gabi na. So, siguro, gitara will do. Ayan, for his leisure niche. And, of course, huwag niyo kalimutan. Hindi raw niche niche. Tinatawanan tuloy ako. Niche, niche, niche. My toes, my niche. My shoulder, my head. Ayan, nananonsense na tayo. Anyway, lagyan nyo rin ng upuan. So, itong upuan is a monoblock ulit. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng swivel chair kasi medyo kulang tayo sa budget. Ayan. So, monoblock would be okay. Lagyan nyo na pa rin ng cushion. Ayan, pati yung cushion ka raw. Mali ang aking pagkasabi. But anyway, guys, I hope this luxury niche would help you, yung area ng inyong anak, para naman makapag-relax konti. Ayan. So, going to school every day would be really stressful. Pag-aaral, homework, and everything. So, maybe during their weekend or during after school, when they come here, there would be some area for them to relax too. Kasi, mahal na mahal natin ang ating mga anak, di ba? So, we want them to give a life with this stressful world. Di ba? Na medyo magaan-gaan naman. Kasi, maraming kabataan ngayon, di ba? Alam nyo na. Nagiging negative. Yung mga negative vibes, na-absorb nila, and they are overwhelmed. So, it's up to us parents, okay, to give them relaxation at home, and it could really help with their academic. There you go. I hope you like it, guys. Yan. So, simple lang. Yung mga elementary, high school, yan. So, kung hindi naman sila marunong maggitara or what, lagyan nyo lang ng mga laruan, simpleng laruan, ganyan, or maybe arts. It would be really flexible para lang, to release all of the stresses outside the world, and when they come home, they would love going home with you because of this area at home. Ayan, so I hope you like it, guys, and I'll see you again. Have a good day. Bye.